The Tavor Rifle, compact, powerful and battlefield tested. Why is it replacing traditional rifle pump design? Keeps it short without sacrificing barrel length, meaning power, accuracy and maneuverability in one package. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, lightweight polymer body, ambidextrous controls and nearly maintenance-free, this rifle thrives in any condition. From Israel's IDF to elite forces worldwide, the Tavor dominates the modern battlefield. Do you want one? The IWI Tavor X95 offers the same reliability for the civilian shooters. What do you think? Ultimate rifle or not?